ArcticVent-HT is the only passive engineered solution designed to freeze protect the exposed length of a plumbing vent stack. Extended extreme cold can cause ice blockages or ice capping of plumbing vent stacks. This occurs due to warm, moist air rising and freezing, leading to blockages in the backup of sewer gases into the building. ArcticVent-HT is an innovative, non-electric, self-contained unit that prevents ice buildup without requiring external energy input. ArcticVent-HT shares many of the same advanced characteristics of the original electric-powered ArcticVent, which has demonstrated ease of installation and reliability for over 20 years. The unique advantage of ArcticVent-HT is its cutting-edge vapor chamber technology. ArcticVent-HT incorporates a proprietary technology to transfer existing warmth from within the building to the upper exposure opening. This advanced heat tube technology operates without the need for any power source and is proven to perform even in the most extreme cold climates of North America. ArcticVent-HT is easy to install. ArcticVent-HT simply slides onto an existing plumbing vent stack, eliminating the expense or need of additional labor to prepare for its installation. There is no need to oversize vent stack diameters. Solvents or adhesives are not required for installation, and the need for a power source is completely eliminated. Engineered and designed for winters in North America and the circumpolar regions, ArcticVent-HT comes with a 5-year limited warranty with an optional 10-year extended warranty. Never worry about a frozen vent stack again with the most reliable, easy to install, and zero energy freeze protection system on the market.